Hello to everybody. I'm your English teacher. With the help of science department, we have prepared something interesting for you all. Have you ever looked up into the sky and wondered what was there, higher than the birds, past the clouds, and further than a moon, a whole space?
Let's imagine the student of Kannur Vidyaniketan for a moment that we can leave the earth behind and explore the solar system.
In solar system, sun is a star, like many of the stars that you can see in the night sky.
The sun is very far away from the earth, almost 93 million miles away. That's why it looks so small.
Even though it is the biggest object in the solar system, sun is almost 99% of the mass in solar system. If you put all the planets, moons, asteroid and everything else in the solar system together, they would make up less than 1% of it.
Sun is like a giant jar. You would fit more than 1 million earths into it.
Most important, sun holds the solar system together. Its massive gravity what keeps the earth and other planets circling around it.
The sun is also what allows us to live on earth. Without the sun, there would be no heat, no light, plants would not grow, water would freeze.
Sun is a giant ball of gas, mostly hydrogen and helium. It burns at millions of degrees in its center core.
Let's leave the sun on to explore the planets.
So now student, we are going to explore different planets. As we move away from the sun, the first planet we will encounter is Mercury. Mercury is smallest planet, much smaller than Earth. We can see Mercury like a bright star. It is smaller.
Mercury is a lot like our moon, have small and rocky surface. Mercury have no moon of its own on our to breathe.
You probably wouldn't enjoy a visit. It is a very hot. Something interesting about Mercury is that it is the fastest planet to go around the sun. It only takes 88 days to complete a circle around the sun.
Second
Now we will
planet.
go to Venus, that is second planet. Some people called Venus as a Earth's sister, very close in size and gravity. First of all, it is very hot, even the hottest planet in solar system. You could not breathe. It is mostly made of carbon dioxide and there are clouds of sulfuric acid.
Second brightest object in night after moon, Venus in the dark sky. After, after Venus comes Earth, the third planet of solar system, that the planet where we live.
Okay, so we live in Earth. As you can see, after Moon we can see only Venus very clear in the sky. After Venus, we are going to visit our Earth. That is our home planet where we all live, where life is there, right? Because there is a famous quotation that where is water and air, there can be chances of life. And in Earth, that is not so hot, not too cold. So it is a perfect place to live. Okay, so as we know that life is on Earth only, other planets life is not possible.
Let's visit Mars, fourth planet, also called red planet, smaller than Earth. It is cold and rocky.
There is, so we know that Mars is a very cold and it is made of full of rocky. There is a water ice on Mars. Scientists are very interested in Mars because they think that people could live there. Right now, there is a two special robots that I'm going to tell you in further. Two robots from NASA agency. They are exploring the surface of Mars, sending information back to Earth. These robots are very highly advanced robots, and they are sending information back to the Earth. And It has two moons, very smaller and very irregular. Even scientists are saying these moons are just like a asteroid.
Fifth one is Jupiter, largest part of solar system, gas giant. Love and Earth is equal to Jupiter center core.
Jupiter is higher than Venus in the sky that we know. So Jupiter around there is a belt. Belt is nothing but it is made a mixture of rocky object and big asteroid. So as we know that Jupiter is the largest in the solar system and it is made of full of gas giant. Jupiter's atmosphere is full of gases and there is surface is made of just like our Earth storms, and we can clearly see the Jupiter above the other planets. So the interesting thing is Jupiter have 67 moons, 55 are very small moons, and one moon is largest moon in solar system. Jupiter have one moon which is largest moon in solar system. Two moons of Jupiter is equal to one planet Mercury. So we can see that two moons of Jupiter is equal to Mercury planet. People cannot land on Jupiter because it is made of gas. There is no ground to land on.
After Jupiter comes Saturn, another gas giant. Saturn is famous for its beautiful rings are made of ice and rocks.
After Jupiter, Saturn comes. Saturn is another interesting planet to visit where we'll love to go because it is a lovely planet where you will see a beautiful rings around it. So these beautiful rings are nothing but it is just a mixture of asteroids and ice and dust particle. They are all around the Saturn, which makes a very lovely planet and rings around it. It has 60 moons and it is the farthest planet from Earth. It is farthest planet from the Earth.
Uranus is seventh planet, gas giant, small rings around it. 27 moons, blue cloud, which makes a beautiful planet.
Okay, so after Jupiter comes Uranus. Uranus is also a gas giant and it is a color of almost blue color. And clouds make it very lovely, this planet. And this is a darker blue color as you can see. And also rings are around it. These rings are as compared to Jupiter, very not very lengthy, but rings are around also in Uranus. And it is also part of gas giants.
Neptune, eighth planet, as giant, blue darker, take 14 meter,
14 moons.
14
Okay.
moons.
So I'll help you here. Next planet, eighth planet, which we know is Neptune. It is a totally darker blue color. It is the eighth number planet in our solar system, and it has 14 own satellite. Natural satellites means 14 moons are there. So I'll tell you one funny thing or interesting thing that poor Neptune take 164 years to finish on orbit around the sun. As we know that we have discussed about other planets, some planets take 88 only days and some our earth takes 365 days to make one round around the sun, but poor Neptune take 164 years to finish an orbit round around the sun because it is very far away. It is very far in solar system.
Now you may think that I live forgotten someone, Plato. Plato was discovered in 1930.
So Pluto is a ninth planet. Previously, it was discovered in 1930. Scientists realized later on in 2006 that how small it is. After 76 years, nominated as a ninth planet, scientists decided to remove planet because there are many dwarf planets which are almost same size of Pluto. Some are asteroids, some are small planets, they all are same size of Pluto. So that's why 2016 scientists have decided to remove ninth planet. So here comes our 8 planets: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Okay, so now we are here with our 8 planets. Pluto is removed from the number 9. So we have now officially 8 planets in our solar system, where Sun is at the center. One more good rhyme to help you to remember the name of planets. My very enthusiastic mother just served us noodle. What it means? This is the rhyme which will help you to remember all the names of planets. M stand for Mercury, V for Venus, E for Earth, M for Mars, J for Jupiter, S for Saturn, U for Uranus, and N for Neptune. So here we are. So till now we have studied about solar system. Now we know that there are 4 rocky planets. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars are rocky planets, and Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune are gas giants. Okay, students, that's all from my side. Stay tuned. Till then, see you. Bye bye.